Hi guys, from this video you will learn how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. And please watch the video till the end because sending USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance is a little bit tricky. If you would compare that, you would send the money from Binance to Binance directly. In order to send the USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance, the first step would be to open our Binance application. Once we are here, we need to go to Wallets and to hit the deposit button. And we need to look for the right coin that we would like to deposit from Trust Wallet. So in our case, it's USDT. And once we are here, we need to choose the right network which is going to be used for the particular transaction. If we go back to Trust Wallet, for instance, like the first one that I have, it's USDT BNB Smart Chain, and that's the exact network that we need to use for our transaction, because it could be that, for example, if we hit the receive button and we are looking for USDT, you can see that there are like plenty USDTs, but they might use different network connections. So just make sure that you're using the right one. All right. So if we go back to our Binance, we want to use the BNB Smart Chain. We hit on that, and we're going to see the deposit address that we're going to use for our transaction. And what we have to do, we need to copy that and just go back to your Trust Wallet application. Then we hit on USDT coin. We go here and then we hit on send. Then here we're going to specify the amount that we would like to send and enter the address. And then hit the next button. And during this step, for instance, you can see that there is a message that you don't have enough BNB Smart Chain to cover network fees. So basically what does it mean? That in order to execute this transaction, the Trust Wallet need to have available BNB funds in order to execute the transaction and to fulfill the network fee. So in our case, the network fee is roughly 9 cents or 0.09 USDT. And in order to fulfill this transaction, we need to top up BNB Smart Chain. So if we're going to hit on that, we get to the next page, and whether we're going to use this QR code or we just hit the deposit from exchange. But in my case, if I hit this, it will transfer the Binance application, and we need to specify the amount of BNB that we're going to send to Trust Wallet. But if I hit any number, I don't have any BNB. So first thing that I have to do to close this, just hit any button and then go back to the Binance application. If I don't have the BNB, so the first thing that I have to do, I need to buy the BNB on the Binance account. And for that, I just simply go for trades. And in order to make things fast, I just hit convert. And here I have available USDT. And let's say I would like to exchange 1 USDT to the BNB coin. I hit this. Then I specify the amount. Let's say it's going to be 1 USDT. And we hit to preview the transaction, and then I hit convert. Okay, so what we have right now, we have BNB available on Binance. So we go back to Trust Wallet and we hit again deposit from exchange. And we hit the Binance. So right now we do have available amount on our Binance, and we need to enter the amount that we would like to send there. So the first thing what we have to do here is to enter the amount that we would like to send to Trust Wallet. So once we try to put some numbers, there we're gonna have a message like what should be the least amount. So let's just go with this one, and you're going to see how much we're going to send and what's going to be the fee for it, and we hit confirm and then just hit continue. Then we're going to have the security verification, and once the process has been done, we go back to Trust Wallet. So basically everything is quite intuitive, not straightforward, but at least the UI allows us not mess up in this procedure. So once we are here, if we go to back, the end money will go to Binance. So to confirm that, we will go back to Binance application, and once you hit wallets, you will see the transaction history. And as you can see here, the crypto deposit for 1.78 USDT was completed. So the transaction was successful. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.